What's the meaning of backward looking? Backward looking. Backward looking.
Backward looking. Backward looking. The term backward looking refers to a perspective that focuses on past events or behaviors, rather than current or future actions. It can be used in various contexts, such as in historical analysis, political discussions, or personal reflections. When someone is described as having a backward-looking mindset, it suggests that they are more concerned with what has already happened than what might happen in the future. This perspective can be useful for learning from past mistakes or understanding how certain patterns have developed over time, but it can also be limiting if it prevents individuals or societies from adapting to changing circumstances and taking proactive steps towards progress.